Okay, and number 12, it says that JKLM is a rhombus if MK is 34. So if this whole thing is 34, I can cut that in half and make each one 17. Okay. NL is 12. Okay, well if NL is 12, so is JN. JM is 20.8, which in a rhombus, all sides are congruent. So those are all 20.8. And the measure of angle MKL is 36 degrees. Okay? Now, find the measure of each item. So NK is 17. JL is 12 plus 12, which is 24. KL is the same as JM, so 20.8. Okay, now the rest of the things that we have to find are angle measurements. So one of the little properties that you had to learn about when you did rhombuses, that where diagonals create a 90-degree angle. So you have to understand that every angle right here is 90 degrees. Okay, so what is the measure of angle J, K, J, K, M? Okay, so we're looking for this one right here. Okay, so one of the properties you learned about rhombuses was that, or rhombi, are that the diagonals here not only bisect each other, but they also bisect the angle. So this angle and this angle are the same. So these are both 36. Okay, then that holds true for this part down here. So these are both 36 as well. What is the measure of angle JML? So JML, so that would be 36 plus 36, and that would give me 72 degrees. Then we have MLK. Okay, so, and for this, if we know that this whole angle is 72, then we subtract 72 from 180, and we get 108. So this entire angle right here is 108 degrees. Same thing for this. This one right here is 108 degrees. Both of these are added up. Now, the measure of MNL, we already discussed that in the middle here, that's 90. And KJL, so it's half of the 108 that we just found. Because remember, this diagonal bisects the angles there. So 108 divided by 2 is 54 degrees. So each one of these little angles is 54 degrees. Okay? In a square, WZ is 18. In a square, all sides are the same, so those are all 18. And RZ is 12.7. So again, in a square, all of the diagonals here are congruent. So for ZY, we have 18. For WY, we have 12.7 plus 12.7. That is 25.4. For RX, that's just 12.7. For angle WRZ, is the same idea, that the diagonals create a 90-degree angle. For angle XYZ, you know that all angles in a square are 90 degrees. And then lastly, for ZWY, okay, well the diagonal bisects the angle. If this is 90 and that bisects it, it means it cuts the 90 in half. So 90 divided by 2 is 45 degrees.